Hello everyone, my name is Savannah Reed, and today I'll be reviewing the usability test I conducted involving the plant identification applications PictureThis and iNaturalist. These applications are designed for beginners who want to improve their botanical identification skills. My usability test demonstrated that iNaturalist was clearly the better application of the two. For this screencast, I wanted to focus on the usability task that iNaturalist clearly outshined PictureThis on. This task was to confirm the plant identification using a third party. This is done after creating a new identification and choosing from the suggested plants the algorithm gives you. Soon after, you'll be able to check on your plant identification, and a third-party user with advanced identification skills will be able to confirm your recommendation on the plant ID. You can do this two places. The best place to start is on your observation list. You can do this by clicking on your observation and clicking here on the conversation tab. Over here you can see that I originally identified this plant as the Live Forever plant. Over here, then a little after that, JF20 suggested Autumn Joy, but I was not able to see that before I identified it as Garden Stone Crop. But then I went back and saw that JF20 gave the recommendation of Autumn Joy, and I was able to compare that side by side with my picture over here, and I was able to confirm that that was the accurate identification of my plant. You can see down here. PictureThis, and the second place you can do this is in the activity slide. You can see what other people comment or suggest on your identifications. PictureThis does not have any tools similar to this on their application. The ability to have a third-party confirmation not only assures you of your identification, but connects you to other users who can teach you the skills you need for future identifications. PictureThis inability to do this is the main reason iNaturalist was able to achieve a higher usability score. In general, PictureThis and iNaturalist are both great applications for beginner botanists, but if you're looking for an application that connects you with others and explains your learning on a more accurate level, then iNaturalist is the application to use. I hope this cognitive walkthrough helped you decide which application to use. Thank you.